Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Apopka local and long-distance movers near me. We can help you with your long-distance move. Our team offers many different services. Some of the services we can offer include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Before you choose to hire a local moving company in Apopka, you want to make sure you know the benefits and the cost. It can be well worth it to hire a professional team to handle the entire process from packing to unpacking. The right Florida moving company will get your belongings to your new home on time and safely. Choosing the right professional team of movers will go a long way. 3 Movers makes the process go smoothly and helps you get settled into your new home faster and easier. While it could take you a few days or even an entire week to pack up and move, with our team, it will just take a few hours for a local move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Apopka moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.